This video contains several testimonies about the results of work on the technologies of Grigory Grabovoi's teaching on salvation and harmonious development using the devices for the development of concentrations of eternal life PRK-1U. Hello, my name is Angelica. Let me introduce you to two results that I have obtained using the devices for the development of concentrations of eternal life PRK-1U. The first excerpt is from my testimony. Testimony from March 30, 2017. On January 27, 2017, I provided remote assistance to a dog that had been unable to recover from post-operative anesthesia for more than 4 hours, which greatly alarmed both the veterinarian and the dog's owner. As I mentioned, the work was conducted remotely. I live in Cyprus, while the dog was in Belarus. Methods, from Grigory Petrovich Grabovoi's lecture dated 06 November 2015, The Teaching of Grigory Grabovoi about God. Technologies of Eternal Development. Ways to develop soul, spirit, and consciousness to ensure eternal life. 2. All methods from the introduction to Grigory Petrovich Grabovoi's book 2004. Concentration on numbers for the recovery of dog's organism. 3. By numerical sequences from the book 2004. Concentration on numbers for the recovery of dog's organism. Work on this task was performed using the PRK-1U device simultaneously. The entire process took just over 1.5 hours. Result: after beginning the work with the dog, it quickly got out of post-operative anesthesia without any complications. 2. The testimony was compiled on February 12, 2019, while the work was carried out in December 2018. A 47-year-old Englishman had suffered 2 strokes in 2014. Blood clots were discovered in the blood vessels of his neck, along with impaired blood circulation throughout his body. Since 2014, he had been continuously taking an anticoagulant medication, warfarin in high doses, up to 15 milligrams daily. This was the only medication from the entire group of drugs that he was able to take. On December 13, 2018, I offered him assistance, as his latest blood clotting test results were highly concerning. His blood was clotting almost instantly, posing a significant risk of thromboembolism. The person agreed to my offer. I began the work on December 14, 2018. On December 14, I worked with him for 2 hours and 15 minutes, on December 16, for 30 minutes, and on December 17, for 30 minutes. Methods. The work was conducted using the PRK-1U device, focusing on key objectives formulated as verbal control goals. Additionally, numerical sequences from Grigory Grabovoi's books 1999. Restoration of the human organism through concentration on numbers, and 2002. Recovery of man's matter by concentration on numbers. Book 2 were worked out using PRK-1U. The result was obtained on December 17, 2018, 3 days after starting work with him. The man underwent a hardware-based medical examination at a clinic, ultrasound of blood vessels, MRI. The results were sent to his attending physician in England. According to the man, his doctor stated that everything was fine, there was no cause for concern, and he was advised to reduce his medication dosage from 15 milligrams to 5 milligrams per day, that is, the dose was reduced threefold, and to take 13 milligrams only twice a week. Additionally, the man noted a significant reduction in pain in his legs. I am grateful to the creator and to the author of the teachings, Grigory Petrovich Grabovoi, for the knowledge that allows us to restore health and events both for ourselves and for others in alignment with the common goal, macro salvation and ensuring eternal life for all.